نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 15. In this lesson, we will learn how to make short sentences. For example, Hamid is an alim. To make this in Arabic, Hamid is an alim. So to make these kind of sentences, first take out the is an. Hamid is an alim. So take out the is an. So what is left? Hamid alim. Hamid alim. So now translate them into Arabic. So it will be Hamid alim. Hamid alim. Hamid alim. So then give two dhamma at the end of each word, to the dal and the mim. So it will be Hamidun alimun. Hamidun alimun. Hamidun alimun. Hamid is in alim. So Hamidun alimun will be Hamid is in alim. So let's practice another sentence. Muhammad ﷺ is a messenger. So again, first take out the is a in this sentence. Muhammad is a messenger. What is left is Muhammad messenger. Muhammad messenger. So now we will translate them into Arabic. Muhammad messenger will be Muhammad Rasul. Muhammad is Muhammad. Messenger will be Rasul. And at the end, we will give dhamma to the last letter of the word. In this sentence, the first letter is dal and the second one is lam. So Muhammad Rasul will give two dhamma to each letter. Muhammadun Rasulun. Muhammadun Rasulun, meaning Muhammad is a messenger. Muhammadun Rasulun. Muhammad is a messenger. So the same way we can make other sentences. Remember the formula. So first let's learn new words. So in this lesson we will be learning new words, and they are Salihun, pious. Salihun, pious. Sadiqun, friend. Sadiqun, friend. Karimun, generous. Karimun, generous. Akhun, brother. Akhun, brother. So let's start. So let's practice. Mahmudun salihun. Mahmudun salihun. Mahmud is pious. Mahmudun salihun. Mahmud is pious. Nasirun sadiqun. Nasirun sadiqun. Nasir is a friend. Nasirun sadiqun. Nasir is a friend. Amrun karimun. Amrun karimun. Amr is generous, or Amr is a generous. Amrun karimun. Amr is a generous. Sa'idun akhun. Sa'idun akhun. Sa'id is a brother. Sa'idun akhun. Sa'id is a brother. Khalidun muslimun. Khalidun muslimun. Khalid is a Muslim. Khalidun muslimun. Khalid is a Muslim. Muhammadun nabiyun sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Muhammad is a prophet. Muhammadun nabiyun sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is a prophet. Muhammadun nabiyun. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is a prophet. So let's review. And this time it's your turn. You have to translate. Mahmudun salihun. Mahmudun salihun. Mahmoud is pious. Correct? Mahmoud is pious. Nasirun Sadiqun. Nasirun Sadiqun. Nasir is a friend. Nasirun Sadiqun. Nasir is a friend. Amrun Karimun. The word Kareem, you know, Amrun Karimun. Amr is a generous, or Amr is generous. Amrun Karimun. Amr is a generous, or Amr is generous. Sa'idun Akhun. Sa'idun Akhun. Sa'id is a brother. Sa'id is a brother. Khalidun Muslimun. Try it, it's very easy. Khalidun Muslimun. Khalid is a Muslim. Khalid is a Muslim. Muhammadun Nabiyun. Everyone knows this sentence. Muhammadun Nabiyun. Muhammad is a prophet. Muhammadun Nabiyun. Muhammad is a prophet. So this was the lesson for today. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.